bring Sushen. Meghnad succeeded in mortally wounding Lakshman. Hanuman was shocked at the sight. Lakshman is Lord Ram's brother and is always under the Lord's protection. How can he ever die? He thought. He then carried Lakshman to Ram. The wise Jambavan told the speechless Ram, "O Lord, we must get Sushen, the best physician available in Lanka, as soon as possible. Only he can cure Lakshman." Immediately, Hanuman rushed to bring Sushen. On the way, he wondered whether Sushen would agree to help them. Suddenly, he had an idea. He lifted the entire house of Sushen and flew towards Ram's camp. Sushen was surprised to find Lord Ram before his eyes. On Ram's request, he examined Lakshman. He told Ram that only a herb called Sanjeevani, available in the Himalayas and brought before sunrise, could save Lakshman. Hanuman was entrusted with the job of bringing the healing herb. Hanuman kills Kalanemi. Ravan had sent Kalanemi to prevent Hanuman from getting the herb before sunrise. Kalanemi, disguised as a sage, asked Hanuman to drink water from the nearby lake. But the moment Hanuman stepped into the lake, his foot was seized by a crocodile. Hanuman shook his foot free and killed the crocodile. A divine being arose from the crocodile's dead body. He told Hanuman, "O follower of Ram, all my sins disappeared after I had the good fortune to see you. I am blessed that you touched me. The sage who sent you here to this lake is a demon in disguise. His name is Kalanemi." Hanuman was furious. He rushed back to Kalanemi and killed him with one blow. He then hurried to Drongiri and started looking for the Sanjeevani herb. He managed to find lots of similar looking plants on the mountain range. It was quite confusing. Hanuman lifts Dronagiri. Hanuman had no idea where the Sanjeevani herb looked like. All the plants here look alike. Which one is required for the treatment? He wondered, looking at Dronagiri mountain. He stood there confused. "I have very little time with me. I cannot risk Lakshman's life either by delaying or by taking the wrong herb," Hanuman said by himself. Suddenly, he had a brainwave. He decided to lift the whole mountain and carry it with him to Lanka. He chanted Ram's name and uprooted the Dronagiri mountain. The mountain was as light as a bunch of flowers for him. On his return journey, Hanuman had to cross the city of Ayodhya. Ram's younger brother Bharat had taken up solitarity residence in an isolated place outside the city of Ayodhya. The shadow of Hanuman and the large mountain fell on Bharat, who mistook it for a demon. Bharat thought of killing the demon before it could do any harm.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.